Hi guys, good morning. We are going to discuss about data types, declaration of variables in SAP ABAP. Okay. So here, how to declare variable in ABAP. Okay. How to declare variable in ABAP. Okay. So I will explain you the data types. Okay. So these are the data types in the SAP ABAP. Character, NUMC, date, time, integer. Okay. Integer. Fine. So what is the default length? Maximum length. Blank, 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 blank. 16. This is the maximum length. So it will allow A to Z and 0 to 9 numbers it will allow. When we define variable as a character, then it will take A to Z and 0 to 9. Same like in BW, char data type. Even if we have alphanumerics also, it will allow us. When you are taking NUMC, so in the BW also same, right? It will take only 0 to 9. Only numerics it will take. It won't allow any alpha. Even you can define one info object and you can check it over there. Okay. So it is not allowing, but we need to give power. Power of how to give power here. Like you can write it, I will write it like power of the 301. So like this we have values. So this is not also allowed. So initial value blank, blank space. This one 0. 8 digit 0. Then date. For this we have it is blank only. Decimal places blank, blank, blank. Only we have packed and floating. So these are the data types. Okay. You can see character, NUMC, date, time, integer, packed, floating, data type, default length, maximum length, allowed, initial value, and decimal places. See decimal places, right? This is the decimal places. These are the decimal places. Okay. So we'll see how we'll declare in the map. Just to log in system. Now we'll go and check it. How we will create the program? SE38. So there is a T code. See here. There is a T code SE38. Now you can see the program. So we are defining create. Just click on create. Now, so click on exclude program. Executable program. Local object. Okay. Example, I'm declaring v1 variable. Okay, I'm giving comment declare variable. Okay, see here data underscore data v1. So v1 is the user defined variable. So what is the length for this by default? By default length is 1. Character by default length is not available in the BW system. Okay, length is 1 by default. Okay, now you can see. So this is declaration of v2. So like this also I am declaring. By default C only. Okay, even if you don't view also it will be C only. So now I am defining length now.
Only the demand unless, yeah.
Now we are assigning the value to the variable. We are moving value to the variable. Multiple ways you can do it, okay? So ending parameter is important. If you don't give, then it will throw error. Okay. Now we will debug. How we will debug it? Through breakpoint. Just check it. What is the issue with V3? Okay. Here we need to give light. So now just click on OK, your program on. Okay. Now I will execute. See, this is the execute F8 and directly you can execute F8 also in our keyboard. So now it is taking you to the debugging screen. So this is very important. In the interview also they will ask you F5. See here, F5 bracket F5, F6, F7, F8. When you execute F5, see where is the cursor would be there? Here, breakpoint level. So when I click on F5, it will go to the 23 line. Okay, see 24 line we came. Okay. So it will execute line by line. This is one line. This is one line. This is one line. This is one line. So like this one, line by line will execute. What is the value in the V1? So by default, it is having blank only. Okay. V2. Okay, see. So we already hard coded this value. That is the way I can able to see V5. So we given data declaration variable and type C. C means care and value we given it. So already assigned it. That is the way it is coming over there. Welcome. But it will replace with this value. See, you just observe it in the declaration level, we given this value, and while assigning this value. Okay, now I am executing F5. So it is going to the next line. So what is the value in the, see, what is the value in the A? V1, it length is 1 only by default. By default, this length is 1 only. So now what is taking this? In the V1 we having assigned value is A, B, C, D. So which value it is taking? That length is only 1, right? Data V1. I didn't define like no V5, 10 like that, right? So we didn't give like 5 as well. So nothing we given. By default is 1 only. So see here, by default length is one only. So that is the way it is taking only A instead of ABAP. Even we assigned A, B, C, D, but it is not taking all because of this length is only one. Okay. Now V2 also same. Huh? V2 is C. Okay, fine. Execute. So now it is taking only one. Okay. This is also same length. Now we'll see V3. V3 it will take 5 length. Okay, V3 taken, right? V3 is how much length? 5 length. So that is the way it is accepted above. And V4. V4 taken only. Why it is taking only 5 letters? That length is same. Hmm? The length of V1 is same. See, the length is V4 like V3. So V3 length is 5. That is only assigned to the V4. Okay. So that is the way it's taken only 5 letters. Then F5. So once you execute F5 and F8. So, and if you want to display into the, then write it. Just check it. Do you have any syntax errors? No, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm executing this. Our program this only, okay, and execute it. Okay, here also I will execute it. See here, if you want sequence, then what you do? If you want sequence, what you do? And here you just keep it like no. See here. See, it's coming. Just given only backslash. So like this you can get it. Okay. So for this we given welcome, but it is assigned value finally is hard work. Okay. So like this we can declare the char. This is the char declarations. So how to declare char? Now we'll see NUMC. How to comment the with star only. Less than, if you want put like example, if you want to comment this all lines, select all lines, then I will give control less than. It will be make comment. Nothing will be there in the program now. Okay. So earlier we didn't use data colon. Now we are using data colon. See here, I am not using every line data. Okay. So if we are declared data colon, no need to define everywhere. So we need to just give comma and you can use it. when we having multiple values, you can use like this, okay? So now you can see like this. What is the value? First given n1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it came? By default length is, so it is taking first length, right? It is taking first length. Okay, default length is 1 only. So it is taking first letter 4. First letter 4. Okay, then n2. What is the n2? You taken 5 length. So now we are getting 5 length or not? 7, 8, 9. Okay, earlier you are taking, say total length is 5, but it is taking 0, 0 as well. Okay, so like this you can take it. See, third one is length is same like 5 only. Total length is, see, taking it. Yeah, and now we'll define dates. Dates is very important. This NUMC and Alpine, okay. So dates are very, very important. While you are handling customer exit and all, this is very, very important. So here SYST is the structure. SYST is the structure. Okay, you can go to SE11, you can type it. This is the structure. There you will get multiple SAP defined structures. Also, you can define same like that. Okay. Like this also you can define it. So, I mean, third and fourth both are same. You can define SYST datum or else SY datum also, both are same. So you are assigning the date one with value. So now you can define. So we are define the date. Now I'm taking C here. So the system date it is assigning date 2. Okay. Date 4 also it will assign. Side item means system date it will assign. What is the issue? See. What is this? Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Why it is not accepting? Date 4 is not expected. Mm-hmm. Organization. Okay. So actually I didn't open this comma. So that is the way it is throwing error. Okay. Now you can check it. I don't see any errors. So this commas and all we need to put properly, otherwise it will throw error. See now, side item is today 4, 4, 4. See first one only it is given, whatever is given the constant value came. Okay. Hard coded value came and remaining side item, side item, side item. So today date it is came. Side item means today date only will come. So based on your how you declared in the same way it will define it. Okay. Why date to it is coming like this? You are defined same like right define. That is why it is coming date to is same this format it is coming. See here. These two are coming like this, but you define like no date to is date to like date one. Okay. So however it is displaying date one in the same way it is displaying even system date. Like this you define like that. And also if you want to concatenate, here what you do, we are declaring like kind of you are taking year. Okay. How to declare this one? Type n. Okay. two. Type n. Okay. dd2. Type n. So like this, I'm splitting the date. Why? What is the SAP system date? System date? System date? What is the system date? YYYY This is the SAP format. Okay. Now I want in this format. So now what I need to capture it, I need to split the date, right? So here y equal. Okay. So now I'm taking what? Date 4. Date 4. Date 4 plus 0 of 4. So this means what? 0 of 4. This means what? I'm taking in the system date. First let us see what is happening. Here I will take. Okay, this is very important offset values. See here, what I have taken. First two, first four lines. Basically, SAP format is 2026-04-04. So I'm taking only year. Okay. And now what I want to take it, I want to take month separately. So how you will get it? Month. Okay, this is the variable name, date 4. Date 4 is the variable name. Date 4 having current date. So I need to split it. Okay. Now what you do? Of 6. That means what is after 4 lengths, take only two length of data. And okay. And activate it. Hmm. While you are writing customer exit, it is very important. So we didn't add it in the. So while you are writing customer exit for MTD and YTD, it's very important. It will helpful you a lot. See here, I'm taking 4. That is month only. Now you take it day as well. So now what I'm doing it? Okay, now what I'm doing it? I will declare one more variable. What is that? Date. I will declare like low. Lower. Yes. Date 5. So this one type D. Type D. Okay. Or else side item. Fine. Side item. Fine. So I declared date 5. Hmm? So now I want to get every month, I mean, current month first date in that. How to do it? Yeah, I have an idea. So date 5. Yes, concatenate. So concatenate 01, 01. Let's see. See, this is how I'm getting current month, I mean, current month first date. So in this way, you can get it right easily in the customer exit level. MTD means what? Current month first date to till date. YTD means what? January first to date till date. So we didn't declare by the date 5. Now you can see. See what the date came? Date 5 means it's coming 26/20 now. Okay, this is coming wrong. Okay, let's see why it is coming wrong. We need to define different way. Okay, like need to do the reverse. See here, y, m. Now you can do it. This one. Let's try. See here, I'm getting first month of date, right? April. So in the same way, you can get any month first date. What is the, see, while you are writing MTD, YTD logic, MTD and YTD logic. MTD means what? MTD means what? Month to date. So this code we will write in the customer exit. Month to date means it will fetch the data from current month first date to what is the current month? April only. April 1st to till date we will get the data. Till date. That is current month. YTD means what? Year to date. It will fetch the data from January 2026 first to till date. So for this YTD, how I will get it, man? For YTD, how I will get it? So I will do it through code also. This is now you got like na this one, right? Now I can get concatenate. Why? Okay, what is the month? Month, okay. So to getting a January, what to do? Okay, this one. Now we are getting this month, right? Now we can do equal. What is that came? Date for minus 3. What will happen? See, I'm getting 01, right? January only. See, I came, right? Now you can see January 1st only. Are you getting me? January 1st. If you want current month, then I can comment this one. See here, simple one statement. You are getting current month first or January 1st date. See here, sorry, current month first date this one. For MTD, for YTD, just enable this one. Okay, you are getting right. So like this is very helpful to you while working with customer exit. See here. Okay.